Hello students, welcome to West Bengal English Medium Guide. Today I am going to give you the exercise question answers from the first chapter, Backstage at Baking Big, and this is from the book 21st Century English Grade 8 from ICSE board. Okay, I have provided the inside question answers from this chapter in the previous video. If you have missed, then please check out the description box or playlist. You will find those videos from there. Okay, so let's start the exercise question answers. At first, we have the objectives. Number A, choose the correct answer. Number 1, which of these statements is not true? Number A, the critics review the show. Number B, the show is absolutely real. Number C, participants can behave as they wish. Number D, conflicts add to the TRP of the show. So the right answer is B, the show is absolutely real. This is not a true statement. Number 2, the tense moments on the show cover: A, bakers interacting with each other. B, bakers exhibiting their baked stuffs. C, bakers putting their cakes into the oven or taking them out. D, bakers mixing the dough and other ingredients. Answer is C, bakers putting their cakes into the oven or taking them out. Number 3, a dramatic episode was recorded when A baker's cake turned out to be a success. Number B, a baker's ice cream cake melted. Number C, a baker lost her knife. Number D, a baker finished off all the ice cream cake in the fridge. Answer is B, a baker's ice cream cake melted. Number 4, problems that contestants might face include: Number A, dishes that need redoing. Number B, being unprepared. Number C, no editing. Number D, organizers delays in payments. Number E, breads that do not rise as desired. Number F, desserts that turn out to be failure. Answer is number A, E and F. Okay, so dishes that need redoing. E, breads that do not rise as desired. F, desserts that turn out to be failure. Next one, correct the sentences. Number 1, when disaster strikes, the organizers fret and fume. Answer is when disaster strikes, the organizers are delighted. Number 2, the cameraman has to omit the tense moments. Answer is the cameraman highlights the tense moments. Number 3, there is no interference in the judgment of the judges. There is sometimes interference in the judgment of the judges. Number 4, the baking show does not follow a plan. Here the answer is the baking show follows a clear plan. Number 5, the recipes are a surprise for the organizers. Answer is the organizers check the recipes in advance. Okay, next one. There are some question answers from C. Number 1, do we interfere with the judges' decisions? Not unless they want to eliminate the contestant viewers love the most. Number A, who is referred to as we here? The series producers are referred to as we here. Number B, why do they interfere when the judges eliminate a popular contestant? They interfere when judges eliminate a popular contestant because he or she is the one that brings in the rating. Number 2, if you think we broadcast live and that reality TV is totally real, you are very much mistaken. Number A, how are reality shows not totally real? Reality shows are not totally real because what we see in just a small part of a long day of shooting that is edited to show the dramatic parts. Number B, how is reality show defined? A reality show presents unscripted real life situations featuring ordinary people or celebrities. Number C, how does an audience gauge a reality show? An audience gauges reality show by judging its entertainment, authenticity, contestants and emotional impact. Number 3, the successful ones meet our psychologist who assess whether they are going to crack under their pressure or can keep with some of the uncomfortable truths about reality TV. Number A, who is referred to as they here? They refers to the leading contestants. Number B, how are the successful ones chosen? The successful ones chosen by an audition where have to bake cake or camera to see if they can talk and bake at the same time. Next one, number D, answer the questions. Number 1, how does the cameraman describe the editing process in reality TV show? The cameraman motions that the editing process involves hiding burnt bits and filling it in cracks to make the dishes appear perfect during the beauty shots. Number 2, why is the role of a judge on reality TV difficult? The role of a judge can get difficult because it is often hard to deliver disappointing news to someone. Also, they need to taste a lot of dishes in a single day, which can get to be a lot. Okay, number 3, what criteria does the casting director use to choose the contestants? The casting director looks for contestants to have who have a personality or a story to tell rather than solely focusing on their baking ability. Number 4, how do the food stylist and home economist make sure the baking on the show goes as planned? The home economist and food stylist double checks the recipes, has multiple rehearsals with the contestants, and oversees the participants and availability of ingredients and baking tools to ensure that the baking goes according to plan. Okay, so these are the exercise question answers from the chapter Backstage at Baking Big. So that's all for today. See you soon with a new video. Till then, take care and bye.